on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to go over today. Now, yesterday we actually did some light reading in our new module, the Titanoboa Favorites Project, interacting with Viper contract section of the module. And today we're going to go over inside the contract we went over yesterday with our light reading. Yesterday we went over the store function and how we actually implement it into our contract. And then we went over the retrieve function, how we implement it into our contract. So today we're going to go inside the actual contract and have a look at how we actually implemented those things. So let's put up our contract now, and I can show you exactly how we entered it and how everything is working. So first and foremost, you see here we have my favorite number, which is going to be our instance. It's how we initialize the my favorite number variable into our contract. It's going to be a public type uint 256. And we come down here, you can see our store function. We're going to say define store. It's going to be a new number as the variable. That's going to be a type uint 256. And what we're going to do is we're going to access the instance of my favorite number from here. You're going to see self.myfavoritenumber. We're going to set that equal to new number. This is our variable here, which is going to be uint 256. So the new number that we create or store is going to be saved to the instance of my favorite number, which means my favorite number is going to hold the number that we actually enter as our new number. And then we're going to actually be able to view that number or retrieve it by using this retrieve function, which is going to return a uint256, which is going to be the number we saved. That's we're going to use return self.myfavoritenumber, and we're going to return the number that we saved as my favorite or as my new number when that we saved to the variable of my favorite number. Then we're going to come over here to our deploy favorites. You can see here, you're going to say starting favorite number equals favorites contract dot retrieve. So what this is saying is, remember that we saved the favorites.vi file that we have using the boa.load. We saved it to this variable here called favorites contract. So this favorites contract holds our favorite number that we stored, and we're going to access that. They're actually saying favorites contract dot retrieve, and we're going to save that to the variable starting favorite number. So when we actually run this contract here, we should see our favorite number get printed out when we say the starting favorite number is, and we're going to pass in the variable of starting favorite number into our F string, and that should display our favorite number that we actually created over here in our favorites.vi file. Now I know it seems like a lot and there's a lot going on, but I'm going to actually run it for you tomorrow so you can see exactly how everything's get populated, how the terminal reads our favorite number, how everything comes together. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.